Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip south on Louisiana Highway 23 as we enter the community of Empire, Louisiana in Plaquemines Parish. Empire had an estimated population of 1,222 as of 2019. Empire, along with Venice, is the third largest seafood port in the United States by weight and value. Some 2,000 boats home port from Empire. Species landed include oysters, shrimp, menhaden, and other types of finfish. During the BP oil spill, seafood landings came to a halt. Oyster landings did not resume for an entire year. Under the Coast 2050 plan, a 50,000 cubic foot per second freshwater diversion is proposed at Empire, which threatens the livelihood of the fishermen and the supporting businesses by drastically altering the salinity in the surrounding marshes. When Hurricane Katrina made landfall in August of 2005, many shrimp and oyster boats were grounded along the roads and levees near Empire. The eye of the storm passed directly over Empire, flooding the entire area and causing dozens of boats that had popped their moorings to settle near the southern foot of the Empire high-rise bridge. As a result, all traffic coming into or out of southern Plaquemines Parish was routed over the drawbridge on Parish Highway 11. Many notable businesses such as Tom's Place Oyster Bar and the Delta Marina were destroyed. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Ahead we see the Empire Jetty Bridge, a high-rise bridge built in 1975 to bypass a smaller drawbridge on Parish Highway 11. This bridge crosses the Duyut Canal, I'm probably mispronouncing that, which connects the Mississippi River with Adams Bay to our right through a series of locks. On the left is the South Plaquemines High School, serving Boothville, Buras, Port Sulphur, and Venice. The school opened in mid-August of 2006, replacing Buras Middle School, Buras High School, Port Sulphur High School, and Boothville Venice High School, which were all heavily damaged in Hurricane Katrina. Prior to the opening of the permanent building, the school operated out of temporary facilities on the site of the former Port Sulphur High School. The school's mascot is, appropriately, the Hurricanes. We conclude today's video as we enter the community of Buras. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.